Hello, my dear 6th standard students. I am Arulraj Abraham. How are you? In the last class, we learned about what is history. The answer is history is the study of past event in the chronological order. Students, take your social science book and turn the page number 115. We are find out the answers in the book pack questions. Exercise question. Choose the correct answer. First, what was the step taken by the early man to collect his book? A. Trade. B. Hunting. C. Painting. D. Rearing of animal. Second, match the statement with the reason. Tick the appropriate answer. Statement 1. Prehistoric man went along with the dog for hunting. Reason: dogs with its sniffing power without other animals. A. Statement is true, but reason is wrong. B. Statement and reason are correct. C. Statement is wrong and reason is correct. D. Both statement and reason are wrong. Answer: statement and reason are correct. Second statement. The object used by the early man are excavated. They are preserved to know the lifestyle of the people. Find out which of the following is related to the statement. A. Museum. B. Burial material. C. Stone tools. D. Bones. Answer: A. Museum. Find out the wrong pair. A. Stone Age. Answer: stone tools. Correct answer. B. Painting. Rock painting. Walls of the caves. Correct answer. Copper plates. C. Copper plate, a source of history. Correct answer. D. Cats first domesticated. Wrong. Find out the wrong pair. Cats first domesticated. Find the odd one. 4. Find the odd one. A. Painting or drawn on rock and caves. B. There were painting depicting hunting scenes. C. It was drawn to show his family members about hunting. D. The paintings were painted by using many colors. Answer: the painting were painted by using many colors. And third, fill in the blanks. The Stone Age man lived mostly in dash. Answer: caves. 2. Dash is the father of history. Herodotus. Answer. Third question. Dash was the first animal tamed by old Stone Age man. Answer: dog. Fourth 4. Fill in the blanks. Encryption or dash source. Answer archaeological. 5th. Dharma Chakra has dash books. Answer 24. 4th. State true or false. A. 1. Stone tools belong to Old Stone Age have been excavated at Attirapakam near Chennai. Answer true. 2nd. The material used by the ancient people are preserved in the museums by the archaeological department. Answer true. Number 3. During the period of Ashoka, Buddhism spread across the country. Answer true. And the 5th. Match the following. A. Rock painting, copper plates. B. Written records, the most famous king. Answer நேரடியாக வாசித்துருந்தேன். Rock painting to understand the lifestyle. Right, written records, copper plates. B. Written records. Answer copper plates. C. Ashoka, the most famous king. D. Religious literature. Answer Devaram. 6th. Answer in one word. Can you say any two advantage of writing diary? Number 2. How do we know the people lifestyle of the old Stone Age? இந்த ரெண்டு கொஸ்டினுக்கும் பிறகு பார்ப்போம். 3வது கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர் இன்கிரிப்ஷன் a written record. Yes. அடுத்தது 5வதுக்கு ஆன்சர் நேம் அண்ட் எபிக் சிலப்பதிகாரம். ஆன்சர் First, can you say any two advantage of writing diary? Source of information, records of past event. Second question, how do you know the people's lifestyle of the old Stone Age? From used stone tools, rock paintings, fossil and other excavated materials. Third question, is encryption is written record? Yes. Fourth question, what is photography? Proto history is the period between prehistory and history. Name an epic. சிலப்பதிகாரம். Answer சிலப்பதிகாரம். அருமை மாணவர்களே, இந்த பாடத்தில் உள்ள கேள்விக்குள்ள பதிலை எல்லாம் படித்து அடுத்த வகுப்புக்கு வரும்போது நீங்கள் சொல்லும்படியாக வர வேண்டும். இத்துடன் இந்த பாடப்பகுதி முடிவடைகிறது.